Right, bro. I'm still like shocking at this, so I'm still learning as I go. Let's see this.
All
Three,
part of
two,
the
one.
game, bro.
Kia ora, everybody. Welcome back to day two of the Carve podcast. Yeah, I'm just learning this as I go. We got our brother today. I'm gonna leave him to do his introductions. Who you, my bro?
Cool. No pressure. My name's Aronaztek. I live and reside in Australia, but of Maori descent. I predominantly do 100 days videos on YouTube. Sometimes dabble in a little bit of streaming, and mainly around like survival crafting games,
True,
Ark,
true.
like um, games like that.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know, Conan, all that kind of stuff. Yeah,
Well, before this podcast as well, I actually met the bro at PAX like 3 years ago. Eh? Think it
yeah,
was you far out. Not the staying in the same hotel too at the same time.
yeah, 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 yeah.
And then met the bro through mutual, the bro sort of Kifs.
Yo.
Before we start, my bro, how did you come up with your name?
Oh, Aaron Aztec?
Yeah, yeah.
That's funny. It's a funny story because so many people think that they relate it to like Aztec, like
Yeah, yeah,
Mayan culture
yeah.
type of thing, but it's not. So like my name's Aaron and my friend group and my family have called me Az forever.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
true.
And then the tech is because all my friends aren't really gamers or tech type of people. So because I'm the tech person, like I know computers, I know like games, and I know how to do that stuff. It was just mashing as and tech together. And then Aztec was always taken. So I had to add Aaron to the front.
Oh,
That's how
yeah.
Aaron Aztec came. So it's got nothing to do with like Aztec culture.
Nah, not gonna
It's
lie,
just like
bro. I was taking the apocalypto route too.
yeah, yeah, that's what everyone thinks. It's just a play on the word
Yeah, yeah.
as like my family friend nickname that everyone calls me, and then technology is kind of my thing.
Sure, my bro. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
As you mentioned as well with your 100 days played, how did you get into Ark or
bro,
those
I'd been
types of
playing.
games?
Honestly, there's an old YouTuber called Frankie on PC. Oh, actually, he's now Frankie on PC. He used to be called Frankie in 1080p,
Oh,
and
okay.
that dude, he did a lot of like. I was always interested in like survival games. I like the way that they progress and
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the slowish, but like there's also like a reward at the end. Like I like the progression thing in survival games. And then Ark came around on. I had PlayStation. I never had a PC for ages.
Yo, yo.
And then Ark came out and on PlayStation like 2 years after release. And then I just started playing it and got hooked on the game for years. And then it just so happened that the 100 days kind of thing came along, and
Yo, that's
someone else
solid,
did it, and I
bro.
was like, "Oh, I like this game, and I know how to edit videos. Maybe I'll give it a crack." And then
Sure, if you're
kind of
looking for an
came about.
editor, here's your man right here. Fano, Australia, OCE. Hey, here we go, bro.
No way.
um, Kind of leads into my question as well. Who, within the streaming world or within the online space, actually got you into streaming?
Oh, shucks. There's so many people that like
Oh,
inspire
bro,
me.
just go hard, bro. It's cool to get who
Trying to think
inspired
of
you.
like I was always inspired by who shucks. Luke the Notable is he's a 100 days Minecraft
Oh, okay,
YouTuber.
yeah, yeah.
He's someone that like early days I really enjoyed, and he was like, I was like, oh yo, I really like to emulate him. Ah, shucks. I've always been a fan of like Australia and New Zealand. I like creating content. Just
Yeah,
100 days
bro.
is just kind of where I landed, but I
Yeah,
like
yeah.
making all types of content, right?
Sure.
Um, but like just 100 days is just where it landed for me. Shucks. Like it's hard. I'm trying to think of like who got me. Like your question is who got me
Yeah,
into it
like
because who
the
got me in.
very that one person that got you into it. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's very different then to like now.
Mm.
But like who got me into Frankie on PC is definitely someone that I really enjoyed. But a lot of the Australian creators I actually genuinely fuck with.
Yeah,
Oops,
yeah.
sorry, I
No,
can't even
no, no,
I
you're good.
I
You're
jam with.
good.
Um, like Laser Beam, Loser Fruit, like hey, you've done some work with Loser Fruit before, have you not?
No, I haven't. Hold on, have I? Bro, I'm a
No, I'm pretty
goldfish,
sure
bro.
you have. I'm pretty sure you've done like something. I remember watching something. I was like, "Yo, they're
Oh,
doing like
bro,
it's like a stream or
bro,
something."
that's shocking if I've actually done something with her and I forgot it. Oh, nah, I just got caught out.
Oh shoot!
Oh, she on the Twitch ambassador as well.
No, that was years ago, but she's someone I really admire
Mm.
and have admired for a long time because of her. her work ethic and
Yeah,
work
yeah.
and the amount of work she puts in to get like to be where she's at.
Yeah, bro.
Um,
Yeah.
People like her, Lachlan is another guy that I've always quite admired, and especially because of their success and then like their come up.
Yeah.
Um, and probably like FaZe Clan. I think like
Sure.
I've
Yeah,
always
yeah.
yeah, I've always like messed with them. Again, like these are people go, oh, but he's like a survival guy. I was like, yeah, but I
Yeah.
feel like you can learn
Yeah,
like
from
what they
people
do.
in different like avenues of streaming as well. Yeah,
Oh, 100%.
100%, brother. Yeah.
Like I don't like COD has never really been my jam. That's like that's for the kids with this fast reflexes
Yeah,
and not
bro.
me.
Nah, you and me
Not
both,
me.
bro. My aim is like a bag of potatoes, brother.
Yeah, bro. But I can respect their hustle. Um, yeah, shucks, I could name a million people. I'm just trying to think probably the person that got me into it, probably Luke the Notable
Nice,
is probably a
brother.
good one.
Sure. That's pretty cool, my bro. Um, oh man, that's pretty buzzy. Eh? Yeah, I'm still shocked that I hope I didn't do anything on Losers Pro Day. Pretty shocking if I forgot,
Man,
bro.
I could be way off, but I was like, I'm pretty sure I saw you guys do like a stream, like there was like a sponsored thing or something.
Oh my gosh, this is not good, bro. um, towards more the streaming side too.
Mm.
Uh, because you've been in the space for a while, eh? You're on YouTube. You've been smashing
YouTube's
out
bread and
YouTube
butter,
for a
but
long
I
time,
like yeah.
and I guess which kind of relates to my last question: who would be your top three dream collabs and why?
Oh,
Here we go. All those numbers start coming in around there.
it's hard,
Eh?
right? Because like I feel like I can be quite business
Yeah,
minded.
yeah, yeah,
And, like, I don't wanna be business minded. I wanna be, like, passionate because 'cause
yeah,
I'm a fan of a lot of people too.
yeah, bro. You and me both, brother. Straight up.
Like, but the business side of me, like, if I was, like, think my business, alright, what would get me to the next level? Obviously,
Okay,
I'd choose, like, sidemen.
okay. I'll
'Cause
probably
they're
say yeah, your business ones and your passionate ones. There we
alright, business ones would
go.
definitely be, like, sidemen. I don't unpopular opinion, but Mr. Beast isn't on my list. I
Yeah,
just don't know. Like, even if it was a business thing,
yeah,
it
yeah.
just like, I think he's great, but yeah, not really. Sidemen I'd really like to do I would love to talk to people I disagree with. So
Oh, okay.
Asmongold would be
Yeah, he
someone,
was in my head straight away, bro.
right? Like I
Yeah,
would
yeah,
just like to talk, like just have
yeah,
a
yeah. Just
conversation
have
and be
genuine
like, just to
conversations. Yeah,
understand.
yeah,
Like I actually agree with some of his points, and a lot of them I'm like, whoa,
yeah.
you're at the gate, son.
Yeah.
So I feel like he's probably one. Um and collab wise, and then Free Shucks. Who's another? I probably the boys. I really just like I watch their stuff. They're goofy people,
Oh, you,
and
yeah.
I think that they would be like Mully and Josh Dub and all of
Mm-hmm.
those guys. Like, I think they're
Shit,
just
me.
goofy, and that'll be fun. They just that just comes to my mind.
Yeah, yeah.
In terms of passion,
Here we go. Here we go.
definitely you. You'd be
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Yep.
Let's do it then. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm
We'll
down.
do it.
But maybe as a, oh, we'll have to think about something to do, eh?
There'll be
What if
something.
I'm
Oh,
just
I mean, this
straight
is it, right?
straight raw dog it on Arke and just not knowing what to do, and you can be my coach?
We've been doing a lot of Dune lately. Dune's
Oh,
been
yeah, I've been on the fence about that game, but I don't want to play it by myself. I want to have some mates to play it with.
come join us. We got a guild.
Yo, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Collab stream coming soon.
Yo,
Yeah, probably this week.
yo. Shucks, passionate wise. Who are like I'm just trying to think of like I don't like care too much. Like those are my ones because they got clout and I think they're kind of cool.
Yeah, yeah.
But like I think like people that I just think it's hard, right? It's just people that I can banter with.
Yeah, yeah.
Like have a
Oh,
laugh with.
bro.
I don't really
Yeah,
care.
yeah.
I don't care size. I don't care whatever. Like
Just
because
have a
I
good
would feel
time,
like
eh?
if
Yeah,
I
yeah.
like I feel like if I was jamming with like the bigger guys or something or whatever, I think I wouldn't. I'd be quite reserved.
Yeah, there'd be like
Whereas,
that resilience to being yourself kind of thing, eh?
yeah,
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 I'd
yeah, yeah.
probably be the same, bro. Straight up.
And I like to talk a bit of smack, and I like to have a bit of a laugh. Like you've seen, like we've hung out
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
IRL. Like
bro.
I'll be a little bit cheeky or whatever. Like I reckon I'd shell up if I was with some of the big guys. Whereas I feel like if there was just people that I could just have a laugh with or
Yeah,
just
yeah.
talk, you know, just be genuine.
Sure.
So I don't know if I can name the others, but it's probably like I'm thinking of like not just streamers, but like even like Johnny Tuivasa-Sheck. I
Oh,
think
bro,
he's a
yeah,
good
yeah,
laugh.
bro, like online space, like abroad kind of thing. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That'd
he's
be
a
cool.
crack up, eh?
Crack up. But then I suppose in the streaming space, Shroud?
Oh, okay, sure.
I think he would be cool. I've been watching his streams lately, and I'm like, yo, you're like just a genuine vibe. Like,
Yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah.
sure, he's got a lot of the clout and stuff, but I think I'd just enjoy
Enjoy the like
jamming.
conversation. Sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I think
yeah.
majority of the time too, like when I went to TwitchCon, that's what I cherish the most instead of like trying to do business things and hey, let's do this. It was just more like talking.
Yeah.
That was probably the thing I resonated with the most being over there, like amongst all of them, like Summit and all of them, and just
Oh,
having
yep.
a corridor and talking and being on
Did
our
they
way.
did they like know who you were?
Summit, yeah, oh, bro, I was surprised he even knew who I was. I was like, since when would you watch someone touch wood? Straight up, yeah. But it was a bro through GTA that actually pulled me to the side to come and see him. His name's Hutch.
Okay, I've
Yeah,
seen him
yeah,
in the is in No Pixel
yeah. He's in
or
Prodigy with
Prodigy.
Kifs in him
Prodigy.
now. Yeah, it
Yep.
was him, bro. He's like 6'8". I
Oh,
was like, oh, Shaquille. But it
wait, you're
was
quite tall anyway.
nah, not as tall as him, bro. But he's a unit. But it was him that he pulled me to the side and just wanted to have a conversation. I was like, far out. The FPS man is right in front of me, and we're just having a talk. Yeah,
Like Summit grabbed you and just like, hey,
yeah.
chat.
Oh, yeah. Hutch did. He pulled me to the
Oh,
side,
Hutch
and
did.
someone look,
Oh yeah, yeah.
it's Broxh. I was like, oh, what do you mean it's Broxh? Yeah. So it's those things that I cherish the most when
Hmm.
at events with other streamers too, instead of like, oh, let's plan. It's always gonna be
Yeah,
those moments for me. But call me old fashioned. That's just how I am. Yeah,
I agree. I agree. I remember at that PAX that I met you,
yeah,
meeting a
yeah.
lot of like bigger streamers and bigger content creators in general. I was even quite surprised on how like quite down to earth a lot of them are.
Yeah, bro.
But then
Yeah, yeah.
also you do see the polar opposite as
Yeah,
well.
the
That I was like,
business
oh,
side. Oh, yeah, with the
the
other
ones that like you
streamers.
see their videos and you're like, oh, you're cool, and then you're like, oh, you're not quite
Oh,
like your video.
hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, I feel that, bro. Straight up.
Yeah.
And oh man, it's just bro, it's just good to have you on the bloody the podcast finally.
Oh, thanks
Been
for
waiting
having
for
me,
this
bro.
one,
It's an
bro.
honor.
Yeah. Bro, I'm pretty much winging this as we go too, my bro. Like, I don't really have set questions or anything, so just
No,
kind of roll
cool.
with it. Uh, I guess within this moment of the podcast, I want to ask you your top 3 cartoons from the year you were born.
1991.
Yeah. Oh, you only got no 3, or was it just one?
1991 was when
Oh,
I was
91.
born.
Oh, me and you the same age.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bro, you do have a goldfish mind. We have established this multiple
Bro,
times.
straight up, bro. Bro, I can put my keys on the table and I'm like, fuck, where's the keys?
Fun fact, I found my keys in the freezer once.
Oh, no. How did they end up there?
I don't
Bro,
know,
I ain't
man.
gonna lie. I do check there just in case, too, because
Yeah, yeah.
this my wife will give me a hard time. Bro, I never hear the end of it, bro. Like, even, because I eat apples, too, and I pull the stick off and put it somewhere. And my kids would go, Dad, you left that stick in the bathroom.
In the bathroom.
He was like, fuck, did I take everyone in? Nah, that didn't sound like me. Yeah, bro,
I found random
randomers.
stuff in the pockets. The amount of times I find stuff, my kids just have a game where they try and hide stuff in my pockets while I'm like walking around. The amount of times I'm like, what the heck? How did I get this? How did I get an
Bro.
old freaking lollipop wrapper? I don't think I ate a lollipop.
Oh, look, even here, got a stick in my pocket now.
No.
So good, bro. I'm playing up straight up.
Like, what was the question again? Oh, cartoons.
Yeah, yeah,
I don't
cartoons.
even know if they're from my time, but the ones that come to my mind, Biker Mice from Mars,
Yo, yeah, nah, that's us, bro. I was the
banger,
same, bro. That was a banger of a cartoon back in the day for me too.
banger. Street Sharks,
Oh,
Street,
bro, this guy just naming all the cartoons I watched too.
yeah, bro. And then shucks, that's from like that era.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
else is uh bro, they were like my bang. The only comes to my mind, I don't know if it would be top three if I thought about it properly, but gargoyles.
Oh, bro, you know, bro, we're pretty much same childhood in terms of like
Yo,
watching TV.
those are the bangers. Those are the
Yeah,
bangers of
bro.
the day.
Bro, the kids these days will never understand how good cartoons were back in the 90s.
Nah, bro. I was watching my kids' cartoons like, bro, did someone make this that's on drugs or something? It's like, what is this
Is this
stuff?
their Rick and Morty or
Oh,
Adventure
Rick and
Time?
Morty's cursed. I know that like there's like a cult following for that show, but I was watching a bit. I was like, what the heck is
Yeah,
going on
yeah.
now?
I saw it for the first time. I was like, what the
Mm.
heck is this?
Admittedly, in our generation, our versions of that was Beavis and Butthead
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Ren and Stimpy. They were both like pretty cursed.
Yeah, I was watching. I was like, bro, is South Park is oh South Park be on the same levels maybe, but holy, what is this, bro?
South Park's controversial. That's one
Yeah, yeah. Oh my
I
god,
enjoy
I
it.
only ever liked one episode, and you can probably tell which one it is. The WoW
The
one.
WoW episode, yeah,
Yeah, bro.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That was funny. That was funny when Miskiff recreated it today.
Oh,
Miskiff,
did
is that
he?
his name?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. In
for
the basement,
OnlyFans.
eh, for OnlyFans. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
It bro, well, it only lasted like a week, and then he was over it.
yeah. I don't blame him. It
Yeah,
was a cool
yeah.
concept. It was funny though.
Uh, I feel like this is probably a pretty obvious one too, like going back to games, but
Mm.
favorite game of all time.
Fallout 4.
Fallout 4. Oh shit,
Yep.
I was expecting Ark, not gonna lie. Straight up.
Nah, Ark is just somewhere where I landed. It's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
somewhere where I landed. But in terms of like, because for me, Fallout 4 has every type of element that I enjoy in games.
Nice, nice.
You know, it's got tense moments. It's
Yeah,
got a
yeah.
good story, and I'm not massive on. I don't like stories games typically
Oh,
because like a
okay.
lot of them are bad.
Yeah, yeah.
But the story in I like being able to carve my own story.
Yeah.
And do how I like to do it. I like
Mm,
to play how I don't like being told where to go. I want
yeah.
to make my
It's
own
just
way.
straight get out the
Um,
vault and on you go.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly. Make you are you gonna be good? Are you gonna be bad? Are you gonna be somewhere in the middle? Are you gonna
Yes,
align with
bro.
this faction? Are you gonna do this? Like
Yeah.
this has this consequence. I really love that in games. And then Fallout 4 just has that, and then it also has survival game mechanics where you
Yeah.
collect resources, you bring it back to your base, you can build your base, you can
Sure, I mean.
upgrade that, get settlers, farm. There's all those kind of things. It has all the elements in gaming that I really enjoy.
Mm,
And yeah, that's my favorite game of all time. And I have made a video on it recently.
sure.
But I also always tried to keep that away from work.
Mm.
If that makes sense.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
Arc has definitely turned into a job. So I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
have
It's kind of
like the
become
it's
like how wood carving is for me nowadays.
right. I
Like
think but you still have a passion for it. I hear you
yeah,
speak
bro.
about it.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
I play Arc because it
Just
pays the
my
bills.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
bro. I can respect that as well. Straight up, my bro.
Yeah. I also that's the game side of it. I make
Mm.
the videos because I enjoy making content
Yeah, yeah.
more than playing the game.
Mm.
I enjoy I think there's a real magic in content creation and entertainment, and I've always loved entertainment because you have like a innate ability to help control somebody's emotions. Like
Mm.
that's magic, bro.
Sure. Oh, fuck.
Like it seriously is. Like the way that you can make people laugh, you can make
Mm.
people cry, you can make people feel something.
Yeah.
Like having that is to me, I think is one of the coolest
Some of
things
the
ever.
peak moments of it, straight up.
Yeah. You know, some people you hear about it every single day, and I'm sure
Mm.
you've heard about it a lot in like your comment section in your Twitch chat and
Yeah.
stuff. You know, someone could be having a pretty shitty day, and then they come and enjoy a little bit of entertainment that you provide.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's like
People put, in my opinion, people put too much value on money or
mm,
material items, but I put a lot of value on people's
the
time, and I
experience,
think
eh?
it's
Yeah.
time and experience. I think it's crazy, crazy that people. are willing to give me time,
Yeah,
their
bro.
time,
Like
their
straight
valuable
up.
time. That's crazy to me. A guy that sits in his bedroom playing
And
video
will
games and then
watch your video. Yeah.
they will give me their time. I don't
Mm,
like money. I like, people donate to us,
mm.
whatever. I
Yeah.
always try and discourage it because I want big company money. I don't like you keep yours. The
Yeah,
big
bro.
companies,
Yeah.
the big companies have you covered for this. We're good.
Mm.
Chill. That's a
True.
lesson you taught the entire world, actually.
Oh, it's on my shoulders big. I don't know. Yeah,
Right.
it's bro, it's hard. It's something I'll never find comfortable in acknowledging.
Yep.
Straight up, for the rest of my life, it's gonna be their way. Like people say change, I'm like, no.
Nah. I
Yeah.
don't. I like. I'm. Yeah. I don't want like we're in it. You and I are in a space that we're
Mm,
very very fortunate that
yeah.
big companies will flip the bill for people to have free entertainment.
Mm, yes, bro.
And if people want to support us financially, I'm a big believer in like trying to give um give and receive. I don't want people to give me money for nothing.
Yeah.
So like I've got like a Patreon and stuff, but they
Mm.
have access to a special part of my Discord. They've got access to I host Arc servers, and
Oh,
then
okay.
they
True.
yeah. So if they're a Patreon or whatever, they can jump on the Arc servers. They have a private place that that little community can kind of
Mm,
play on. I'll jump on an occasion and hang out with them and do like just community stuff, all behind the scenes. So like it's
true.
not out there and crazy. Um, yeah, I always want to try and give back. I've got merch that I like will give away and stuff.
Mm,
Just for the community. Like I don't like the idea of like them just we just want to support you. I was like, bro, like Raid Shadow Legends supports me. That's who I want
yeah,
to
yeah.
support me. Not you. We good.
Yeah, bro.
They're
Get
like,
get those sponsored ones in, eh? Yeah, yeah.
that's it. I was like,
Mm,
are they like the best support anybody can do for all of us, even the people watching right now, is watch this video from start to end. That is way more
listen to the
financially
bro.
beneficial
Mm,
than giving $10, $5, $2, any $100. Literally watching the video from start to end, game changer.
oh, that's beautiful, brother. Straight up, bro. Oh man, it's I'm actually blown away by that. Straight up, I'm kind of lost for words. I don't normally get like that in life, but holy, uh, that's inspirational as well, brother. That kind of leads to where we're at this point of the podcast too. And if you have any like inspirational or encouraging words for those that are watching, whether you're at home or outside anywhere in the world, um, if you can, brother, just share your inspirational or encouraging thoughts right now.
I think life is about the pursuit of happiness and not the
Mm,
pursuit of social norms.
mm,
I think if whatever you decide to do with your life, do it to the fullest. Don't hold back and chase it. As long as you don't hurt, hinder, or harm anybody, like you're good. Do it. Chase that. Chase joy. Because at the end of the day, like what, like material items or anything, if they give you joy, then that's probably something good. But at the end of the day, when you like, what do you when you're finally buried 6 feet down, which is inevitable to all of us,
yeah.
what do you have to show for yourself? For me personally, I want to build a legacy. I want my memory to last
Mm,
longer than I did. That
yo.
means more than anything. If I can build a legacy further bit further than me, and know that I've helped put smiles on people's faces, and know that I've made my children, my parents, and my wife proud, bro, I've completed my life and I'm good.
Fuck
Everything else
W,
doesn't
my
matter.
bro. W, brother, immaculate. I ain't gonna lie, straight up. It's that like with this podcast, that's always gonna be something that I want to share too. Like people's words of wisdom, encouragement, or inspiration. It's always gonna be the main thing of this broadcast is sharing everyone's stories, and you know they may be unique with no matter what you do within the world as well. Bro, I'm getting lost with my words. I'm just
All good.
buzzing, bro, straight up. Um, with that being said, my brother, I'm not one of those podcasts that'll go, okay, we're gonna do 1 hour, 2 hours. Um, that's kind of all the questions I have for today, my bro. And
Easy, bro.
if you can, for everyone that's watching once again, where can everyone find you, my bro?
If you just type in Aronaztek, Aronaztek on any platform, you'll find me. You
True.
can on YouTube, you can spell it wrong and you'll still find me. Thankfully, thank you, YouTube search. Yeah.
No, nice one, brother. Well, Fano, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to go through and follow the bro on all his socials. I will leave them below the video too, so you can go and check him out for yourself. Ngā mihi nui and have a good one. Kia ora.